Hey guys, what's going on? It's Joe Burgess. Welcome to my channel. Today we're going to be talking about spark plug sockets. We got a few here lined up, all different shapes, styles, lengths, things like that. Few impact, few swivel, straight on, 5/8, 13/16, stuff like that. And the back one is an assortment that Mac Tools does. 13-piece set, I believe. All different types of application. They even give you a 14mm socket, which is very handy to have on certain types of cars. I want to say BMWs, and a few others. I think could be. I think it's BMWs, but could be others as well. But give you a little bit of assortment and flavor in the in the group. So let me just go over here what we have in this set. This is actually my go-to set when it comes to spark plug sockets. We got some straight-ons here, a little bit of length to them in case you're dealing with long tubes. These are easier access. We got a 9/16 for Fords, 5/8 for can be found on Fords, other cars. 13/16, which is not too common, but comes around every so often. And like I said, the 14 thin wall, and there's even a 16mm thin wall there. I don't know what type of cars that comes on, but that comes across every so often too. I haven't personally, but I'm sure there's many of you guys that actually could answer that question for me. That probably is something. I just don't know which one. But those are pretty important to have. We have some shorter ones in here. Same thing, like a 14mm, 9/16. You get your 5/8. Again, 13/16. And then you go to some swivels here. You got 13/16. You go down to 5/8, and then down to 9/16, and then you got even a 14 and a swivel. So, like I said, guys, this kit here, it's pretty handy. I've used it numerous times. Like I said, that 16 I'm still not sure of, but the 14 I know is on a few of the. I think, like I said, it's on BMWs, I believe, and maybe some could be minis too. I can't remember. Well, like I said, it's probably those cars. But like I said, you guys would probably know better than I would. Back here we got some Lucy's. Same thing, little assortment. So we got straight on again. Whoop. That was a Chrysler one that actually just fell. Cornwell swivel. Just snap on 5/8 here. Those are nice to have straight on. Snap on 13/16, which, like I said, I don't come across too many of those, but sometimes I do. Nice SK swivel. It's coming in the 5/8. Pretty common. And Matco, we got a 13/16 swivel here. And just give me a second. I'll grab that Chrysler one. This is the Chrysler one I was talking about. This is one you don't see that often. I was going to put it on Tack Thursday, but I actually forgot all about it. It's a Chrysler socket with your numbers there, and like I said, very unusual socket. Just happened to find this one, but if anybody has seen that, let me know. I actually like to see what that's all about. But I left off with that Matco there one. So you can go up longer on the straight-ons. This one's for longer tubes. Some Toyotas have longer tubes. Also, seen them in like Dodge Ram trucks, things like that. They're not so bad. I bought that for for when they come across those. Those come in the Mac kit too. But that's as long as they go. We got down here, we got SK, and we got a 12-inch. Yeah, that's a pretty tall guy. That gets into some really even longer tubes than this one here, if you really want to get into it. So then you get into this style here, extension style. Snap-on makes this. It's got extension with a ball swivel. It's a 5/8 flavor. Those are nice to have in tight spots. As I always say when I'm doing that type of work, I usually use like one to grip them, feel one, and just hand thread them in, because you don't want to be dealing with stripped out heads, that's for sure. So in this extension one, you can go long like this. That's I say is I think like a 2-foot extension. That's handy to have if you're trying to poke through a fender wall into a block. Those are nice to have. Some Chevys actually are pretty difficult to get at, so this would be the one here, that big long guy. Very 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 handy in that situation. Then you come across like an impact. This one's a double ended impact swivel with a 5/8. Very handy to have as well, because it's got the 2 swivels. It's got one down here, and then you come up here, it's got that one there too. So that's pretty handy to have. Snap-on makes that. I actually picked that one up. And then you just get to the end, you get the old Craftsman 18mm socket. It's every once in a while I come across that, but yeah, this is pretty much this little selection for the loosies. And like I said, when I'm on certain jobs, I bring this case here, because it's pretty handy to have, because you never know what you're going to be coming across. So I keep this in the old box, and I got the loosies in the big Snap-on box, for the bigger stuff. But for the most part, you gotta have a good selection of them, and this is pretty much what you're gonna see. But for my honest opinion, I like this Mac set. It covers pretty much what you're gonna be seeing in modern day cars, for the most part. This stuff here, it's nice to have them. If you do come across stuff, but for the most part, like I said, this kit's gonna cover a lot of applications. And if you guys have a Mac dealer, this is the part number right here, SPK 13/set, and that's a set. So, like I said, little handy set. Every once in a while, it goes on sale. I can't remember. I bought it in a promo. I just can't remember how much it was, but yeah, it's nice to pick up, especially if they're running a promo. So, guys, hope you like this video. Please like, share, and subscribe to my channel. And it's always a pleasure giving you guys a nice new video. I've enjoyed doing it, and there's going to be more to come. So, please subscribe to my channel, and I'd like to see some new subscribers. That'd be great. And to my already subscribers, and to the guys who are interested in my channel, I much appreciate it. Thank you so much, guys. And please continue the support. I appreciate it so much. Thanks, guys.